Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will write 10 lines essay on my favorite bird. So let's start. My favorite, my favorite, bird, bird, my favorite bird, Parrot, parrot, my favorite bird, parrot. Number 1, my favorite bird is parrot. Number 2, a parrot comes in many colors. Number 3, I have seen green parrots. I have seen green parrots. Number 4, they have a brown, black or red ring around the neck. Number 5, parrots are smart. Number 6, they can learn to talk like us. Number 7, they eat vegetables and fruits. Number 8, a parrot can also eat green chili. Number 9, a parrot is very playful. Number 10, I love parrots very much. So let's read. Essay, my favorite bird, parrot. Number 1, my favorite bird is parrot. Number 2, a parrot comes in many colors. Number 3, I have seen green parrots. Number 4, they have a brown, black or red ring around the neck. Number 5, parrots are smart. Number 6, they can learn to talk like us. Number 7, they eat vegetables and fruits. Number 8, a parrot can also eat green chili. Number 9, a parrot is very playful. Number 10, I love parrots very much. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe my channel.